Hello बच्चों, let us look into the question. The question says it is an assertion reason type question. The first assertion says that DNA has two chains having anti-parallel polarity. That means 3 prime to, this is 3 prime to 5 prime. Then it will be bonded with the DNA of 5 prime to 3 prime with the bonding seen in them. It is called, I have applied topoisomerase through which the coiling has been released और हम इसको आसान तरीके से देख पा रहे हैं कि ये 3 प्राइम टू 5 प्राइम एंड एंटी पैरेलली इट इज बॉन्डेड विद 5 प्राइम टू 3 प्राइम। अब हमारा रीजन कह रहा है कि वन चेन ऑफ डीएनए एट वन एंड हैज फॉस्फेट बॉन्ड। दिस इज सपोज over here it is saying that it has phosphate moiety at 5 prime and end of ribose sugar, and at the other end of ribose sugar has free 3 prime OH group. So the key concept we'll be discussing is that DNA polarity. जब भी हम डीएनए पोलैरिटी की बात करते हैं तो हम डीएनए का स्ट्रक्चर पहले देख लेंगे। एक यूनिट उसका स्ट्रक्चर कैसा है, उसमें शुगर प्लस नाइट्रोजनस बेस एंड प्लस फॉस्फेट ये मिला के बनता है न्यूक्लियोटाइड, एंड न्यूक्लियोटाइड इज द यूनिट ऑफ डीएनए। न्यूक्लियोटाइड को जोड़ जोड़ के हम बनाते हैं डीएनए। ओके, जब न्यूक्लियोटाइड में शुगर बेसिकली डीऑक्सीराइबोज होगा तब हम इसको कहेंगे कि ये डीएनए का शुगर है एंड डीएनए का यूनिट है। व्हेन इट इज गिवन राइबोज शुगर दैट मीन्स इट विल बी फॉर्मिंग आरएनए, it will be forming RNA and not DNA. Whenever we form deoxyribose sugar compounds, then it is the unit of DNA. So it is a wrong statement. So whenever we will be forming the compound or this structure with deoxyribose sugar, suppose this is a deoxyribose sugar structure over here, deoxyribose structure H this is a deoxyribose structure O OH H H H H, suppose the nitrogenous base is adenine, and H, this is this carbon CH2 and it is bonded with phosphate. Base pair. This is an overall nucleotide as it contains of nitrogenous base, deoxyribose sugar and phosphate. Now what will happen is that this 3 prime end of this nucleotide, this will be reacting with the phosphate of another nucleotide. Let us look into it. Suppose this is another nucleotide. I am drawing this O OH H H H H. Suppose I am drawing this as G. This is guanine, and over here the HCH2 and phosphate will be drawn. Now this will be forming bond with this OH, this 5 prime, the carbon, fifth carbon, at this fifth carbon phosphate is attached, so it will be 5 prime moiety, and this will be 3 prime moiety because this is attached to the third carbon. Thus this third carbon and fifth carbon compound attached OH and phosphate will be reacting with each other, thereby forming a phosphodiester bond. And in the similar way, whenever we see that this side the phosphate moiety is free and over this side the 3 prime moiety is free, thus इसी डायरेक्शन में न्यूक्लियोटाइड का एडिशन होते जाएगा और जो सबसे नीचे जो हमारा मोइटी फ्री रहेगा वो 3 प्राइम का मोइटी रहेगा। जब हम दूसरे साइड नेक्स्ट स्ट्रैंड हम ड्रॉ करेंगे तो 3 प्राइम will be at the head region and 5 prime will be at the tail region by joining the nucleotide in the same fashion. Hope you all understood. All the